let's talk about crypto and stock. Everyone asks me the same question. Should I invest in crypto or stocks? Here's the honest answer. Not the hype answer, the real answer. Stocks. What are they? Ownership in a company. You buy Apple stock, you own a tiny piece of Apple. Pros. Regulated. Companies must report financials. Less volatile. Prices don't swing 20% daily. You earn dividends. Companies pay shareholders. Long-term wealth building is proven. Cons. Slower growth. 10% yearly is considered excellent. Market hours only. Can't trade 24/7. Requires capital. Start at hundreds minimum. Crypto. What is it? Digital money. No company behind it. Pros. P4-7 trading. Markets never sleep. High volatility. You can make 100% in weeks. Low capital needed. Start with 10. New opportunities constantly emerging. Cons. No regulation. Scams are common. Extreme volatility. Lose 50% overnight. Complex. Hard to understand fundamentals. Emotional. People panic sell. My personal opinion. Start with stocks. Why? Because stocks teach you fundamentals. You learn to read financial statements, understand business models, analyze valuations. This foundation matters. Crypto, it's for after you understand markets. Here's my journey. Year 1, studied stocks, MBA coursework. Year 2, understood market mechanics. Year 3, then moved to crypto and Forex, and I still made mistakes, but at least I understood why. Most beginners do it backwards. They jump into crypto first, make quick money, get overconfident, then lose it all because they don't understand the fundamentals. So which should you choose? Honest answer, index funds. Not exciting, but powerful. You invest in S&P 500 index funds, monthly deposits. Don't check prices daily. Over 10 years, you'll beat 90% of active traders. That's the boring truth. But if you want to trade, start with stocks. Learn fundamentals, then crypto if you want. Either way, don't gamble. Invest with intention. That's the difference between wealth and broke. Comment below, stocks or crypto. Why? Let's discuss your strategy. For more videos, follow my YouTube channel, A Financial Compass.